We need yakisoba.
I'm finally showing you guys how to cook my yakisoba, which is really basic because I'm using instant yakisoba noodles. But I haven't vlogged me cooking yakisoba yet, which I thought is interesting. But we'll start with the ingredients. Today we're going to be doing a chicken yakisoba. Some of the girls want Spam, so I'll also do that. But I'm going to break this chicken down. It's just so much cheaper. To get a pack of 4 chicken thighs was about 12 bucks for the organic one, of course. For $22, you get a whole chicken. So I get 2 huge chicken breasts. I get 2 chicken thighs with the wings, with the drumsticks, and I get the whole carcass and the innards. So I'll be able to do a chicken soup with this. Of course, I've got the instant yakisoba noodles. You still have to boil these. Very convenient. The veggies, cabbage, onion, carrots. Very basic. I also will be adding some garlic, so I'll chop that up. I've got the flavor packets over there. And I'll be cooking all of this on a wok. This is my biggest wok. My tools, wok spoon or wok spatula, I guess you could say. I also have a wooden one as well because, you know, Kira's gonna be helping me. This might be easier for her. Got all my dishes, bowls, mise en place. This is the innards of the whole chicken. This is gonna be the tray, put all the rest of the pieces of chicken so that I can roast it and then get it ready for making chicken soup later. First thing we're preparing is this chicken. Now you don't have to help with the chicken, but if you want to, you can.
I'll do it.
You do want to do it? Okay, cool. So do you want to see how I'm gonna do this?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you with the first leg right here. Actually, I'll do it with this one because it's easier. You're going to put a cut right here. This is the breast.
Yeah.
This is a drumstick right in between.
Yeah.
You're just gonna cut like that. And then as you're pulling apart, it should come apart.
Okay.
You only need one little incision like that. And then see, you can pull it apart just like that. It's very easy. And see how there is already a separation? Just like that. And then I'm gonna help you cut because it might be kind of difficult for you. Always be aware where your fingers are. There you go. First chicken thigh that we're gonna be using. The easiest thing for you to do is pull this, and you're gonna cut right down here, okay? Forward and back. There you go. Let the knife do the work. You did it.
Oh, I did?
See? And then you're just gonna pull it apart. You're gonna pull it apart like that.
Okay.
See? Like that. There you go. Good job. You're gonna rip it down. Okay. All the way down. There you go. Good job. Now, do you want to do another cut?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you probably don't need to do another cut. I could almost rip it apart, but what you do is see that bone? You're trying to reveal it, and then you can make one more cut right down here, okay? You're gonna go right down this area. And same thing, remember, let the knife do the work. You're just gonna move it back and forth.
Okay.
Go ahead. Good. Watch these fingers. Good. Okay, that's good. That's good. With chicken, you're able to, like, basically, all of it can come apart just with your hands. See? Second chicken thigh. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna remove this bone because we're gonna use it. You're gonna rip off the skin first.
Right here? Right here?
Oh, turn it over. Good job. Good. Put it over there. Let the knife do the work. Slide it back and forth. There you go. See how as you slide it, it slices it? There you go. Forward and back.
Then cut them like this in half.
Yeah, do in thirds. So go a little bit farther over. Good. See how like the knife does all the work?
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. So what we're gonna do here, you wanna try this too?
Yeah.
All you have to do, this is our garlic cutting board.
Whoa.
You just smash it with a hand. See how it's smashed? And then what you do, take the peel off. And then all you're left is with this. And then for right now.
Why can't you just take off the peel? You have to
Well,
smash
the
it.
crushing it actually releases some of the flavor in the oil. So we're
Okay.
just gonna put it like that, okay? Go ahead.
Ooh, you did it.
Go ahead.
Is that hard, Daddy?
Yeah.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
It's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Really slowly. All we're
Can
gonna
I
do
get a
is
smaller knife? Do I need a big one? Do I
you
need
can
a big
look.
one?
Do you want to do a smaller one?
Yeah. Wait, can I
That's
cut
all
a
we're gonna
small-
do, like this, okay?
Oh, it's okay. Is that too
That's fine.
thick?
That's fine. This is just to flavor the oil anyways. We'll probably pull them out. Good.
Can I cut this in half like this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
Good job.
Wait, garlic related to onions?
That's a good question. I don't
kinda
know.
making my eyes
They're
water.
called aromatics. Yeah, there is. Let me go ahead and see. One thing you do, you create a flat side like this, and then you lay it down.
I just did that.
Yeah, and then you can go right down.
I like to cut. Oh no, the onion's hard. Could I do? Which one should I do first?
I'll probably do this, but you can do these two, okay? We're gonna chop off the edge part. Sometimes you want to keep it on there so it stays together, but we're not gonna worry about that. And then we're just gonna cut right down the side like this. See, it should be thin, okay? Just like that, and go very slow. No need to go fast.
Yeah. Your eyes watering?
No. All yours?
No.
No. Good job. Sorry, I'm watching your scissor. Go thin. There you go. Really nice. Good. Nice and slow. So what we're going to do,
Do you want to cut off
cut
the
it
stem?
in half. Yep. We'll cut off the stem like that.
Why'd you cut so
Go ahead
much
and
off?
that's because we don't need it. Go ahead and put that inside the sink
Why do you put them in the sink?
because I'm just throw it away later.
Oh, that's gonna be hard to do.
Okay.
should put,
I'm
like,
going to show you how to do it.
You should put a bag in the sink,
Yeah.
and then you could just pull that bag out and throw it away.
Yeah. So this, we can kind of rough chop it like that. It doesn't have to be too thick.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, I want to do it, Daddy.
You're going to do the other one.
This?
Good. There you go. Good. Good job. Don't worry, you're going to get used to it. The way I would
do it
suggest
small.
cutting carrots is we're going to cut it all the way down the middle. I'll do this cut because this is a little more dangerous. And then you go like this, real thin. Really, really thin.
Oh.
Spam. Who's going to have a spam yakisoba?
I will.
How does this work? I haven't done this in so long.
Mommy, how do you, Daddy doesn't know how to open a Spam can.
There we go.
There we go.
Whenever you're cooking yakisoba, you want to get everything all ready. So we're going to put it all on here in the order that it's going to go inside of the dish. One hand's going to be on here, and the other hand's going to have the spatula. This is where you're going to, yeah, this is where you're going to want a glove like this. This will be the best thing to use, okay?
I want to do
Because
a
it's going to get
glove, Daddy.
what glove?
The big one.
You want to do that one? Okay, you can. When you're using a wok or cooking yakisoba, fried noodles, you want your pan really hot. Hey, don't worry, it's just a fly. So when I make yakisoba, I like to use beef tallow, and this beef tallow was rendered from the soup the other day. I'm gonna use a whole bunch. There we go. So we're gonna put a little bit of garlic in there and flavor this oil, okay?
Yep, it's gonna splatter. Okay,
All you're gonna do, you're gonna stir this around a little bit and get that garlic flavor into the oil or into the animal fat that we're using. So what I do is I use this special tool. I'm just gonna get it out.
Hey,
We just want the flavor of the garlic. We don't want the
you don't want the
garlic
to
chunks.
melt.
Okay, see now that fat
Yeah.
is really flavored. It's really hot. So now we're gonna turn up the heat all the way.
What?
First thing you want to do is I would put the carrots. Put it right in there.
Whoa.
Okay. And then spam. You want a lot of spam, right?
Yeah. Yay, spam.
There you go. And then mix it. Yep.
Oh my.
Good.
It's gonna splatter. Daddy, next time I want you to give me a recipe and I can do it. But not on this one. This one's too hard.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put some onions in there. There you go. You're doing
like,
a good
shake it
job,
or
but guess what
something?
you want to do?
What?
Watch. Come on,
I knew you were gonna do that.
like that. And then you can flip it
So what we do? Whoa.
when you get better. That's what you're going to be able to do.
Wait, what? Okay, yeah.
All right, you take over. Stand over here. Well, now we got to cook this a little bit.
Shake. Now mix it. Mix it.
Go ahead, mix it. And then at this point, what I like to do is add a little bit of salt.
Yeast. You could do salt so quick, Daddy. Do it as quick as you can. That wasn't as quick.
Very good.
Daddy, what if that falls into the fire?
That would not be good. I said that would not be good.
It probably would, because you're doing it like that.
We're going to turn off the heat for a second, right?
Just
We're
tell me
going
what
to
do.
put it into this. Good. Go slow. No need to hurry. Don't pour from up high. Get the jar way in there and then pour slowly. There you go. And pour it all out. There you go. See? You just always take your time when you're first starting to learn. Okay, now we're going to crank up the heat all the way. Okay, go ahead and put noodles in there.
Oh no, that's scary. I hold
Go ahead.
it?
Yeah.
Do I just, oh.
Don't drop it in there. Place it in there. There you go. Good.
Yeah.
Now I like to cover it. Go ahead and
Whoa,
cover
it's
it.
splattering.
Good.
That?
Yep. Now with this lid, you have to be careful because there's these holes. See, the steam's already coming out, so make sure you grab it with your glove. We're just gonna let it boil for a hot second. Good. Bring it over there.
Whoa.
You want to try to flip it?
Yeah, I can do it.
It's okay.
You try?
So at this point, what you're gonna, well, yeah. There you go. We're gonna break it apart.
Whoa.
Go ahead. You want to do this now?
Yeah.
Break it apart.
This?
Yep. What you're gonna do is wait till almost all the water is gone, so it's gonna be pretty dry. You're gonna pour it in, but you have to spread it all around, not just in one little
Do
pile.
I do it with my glove?
No, you can do it. I'll turn down the heat for you when you're doing it, okay? Go ahead, put it in all around. Good. Make sure it's all out. Grab this, there you go. And you're gonna mix it around. Good. There you go.
Wow.
And then once all the water is evaporated, we're gonna add this back in there.
Daddy, it's not as
Strong looking?
yeah.
It's because you put in the flavor packet a little early, but it'll be fine.
Okay.
We can add more flavor too if you want. Here, let's add a little oil.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Your turn now? My turn.
Okay. So at this point, it's basically done. All you're trying to do is reheat all the ingredients and get a little bit of a sear on it. Honey, she did almost all this by herself.
Oh.
She even cut all this stuff too. This is for you and
Mia.
Mia, the spam
Why
one.
is it so much just for me and Mia? Thank you, Daddy.
Good job.
I need yakisoba.
All right, so the girls have all eaten Last one is for Judy. When you're cooking with a wok, obviously you want really high heat and you want to hear that sizzling. Hence why I'm doing small batches at a time. A little bit of avocado oil. The last one's always a spicy one for me and Judy.